Welcome, guys, to another episode in this channel again. So, wherever you are watching from, stay tuned and as we dive into it. And as always, this is just my opinion, not the financial advice. So, what I did on this Euro USD, Euro UD. So, this was a re-entry. This was the May target, the place where I would have taken the May entry, the May trade from was this zone right here. It was supposed to be out there, but I missed it. So when I saw the market rejected from here, I was waiting for a lower time frame confirmation. Then the market move up, but then I was still patiently waiting for a re-entry. So what was the re-entry model was now? Don't forget this was to be my initial swing low where if the market was to pass here, the market would have go below here. Then that was market proved me wrong. Yeah, so my stop loss was still below there. So the re-entry mode was this. The re-entry mode was this. So now we all know this is what I'm looking for, right? This is what I'm always looking for. Yeah, this is what I'm always looking for. So right, then waiting for the market to come back again to break below this one, then this before I look forward for my the buy, right? So if this is what I look, if this is what I saw on the higher time frame, they mark out the zone, right? And if I want to use a confirmation, the confirmation will be on 15 minutes or 5 minutes to see the lower time frame confirmation. The same thing that I look for in the higher time frame, the same thing I'm looking for in the lower time frame for confirmation before entering, right? So this was it. So where the market triggered this origin point that I missed, then I decided to wait for lower time frame confirmation to see how the market plays out if it's going to come back. So and I mark this one here as my break of structure. Then I mark this one here as my what inducement, which I saw this was inducement. Then I mark out this what my where I'll be looking for to take the trade. Then the original stop loss same place down there below there. That's what it is. But when there I place a limit order where the market I'm currently on this trade right now. I'm currently on this trade. When it triggered with a high momentum. I thought, okay, this is it, stop loss. But I let the market play out, no emotion trading, just let the market do its thing, right? So I came back and saw this how it's playing out right now, and I took this on my account, two accounts, and currently right now, I think I'm up in profit and leave open because I think this market is gonna what? I think this market is gonna go up. It's gonna go up to this extent, right? Because due to where the market is ready from, we still have a lot of liquidity up there. I think the market is even gonna clear up, come to this extent here. This extent, the market is gonna come there. But for the meantime, this is where I put my TP. If I see any, once I give him my TP, see any rejection sign, I might just decide to close or decide to leave TP open till today is Friday, right? So my neighbors had to leave it. But nevertheless, TP is TP, right? 1:2, 1:2. That's just it, guys. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe and like, follow for more updates. Bye.